Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine here in Red Wing, Minnesota, and guess what? We have a showroom full of beautiful Yamaha boats, but today we are going to focus on this one. This here is the Yamaha SX195. If you are looking for a non-towered boat, something that's easy to fit in the garage, easy to trailer, the SX195 is an absolute powerhouse, beautiful boat, and tons of features, so let's check it out. Like with all Yamahas, it starts right back here at the swim platform. A lot of key features. You're going to notice that beautiful flooring they put in, the cushioned backrest, cup holders off to the port and starboard side. Stainless steel ladder is going to be tucked underneath, and you'll also notice if you opt to get the swim seats, it has the built-in brackets for them on the SX195. As we step inside, the cockpit is massive. Take a look for a 19-foot boat at the amount of seating you have. Beautiful use of colors in this with the grays and the whites. You've got a lot of storage. You're going to see that it comes with the removable cockpit table and the cooler. Beautiful weave flooring as well. As we work our way over to the helm, you're going to notice the flip-up bolster. Love that. I like the way they curl the sides of these seats and they have the open back. That's very nice. Yamaha's always done a good job with their seating. Tilt wheel, 3-spoke Yamaha tilt wheel. Very attractive setup there. The Yamaha Connects touchscreen in the middle, giving you all your vital data there. USB and 12-volt outlet, cell phone holder. And on the opposite side of that, you've got your stereo controls. Cup holder sitting there just off to your left. No wake mode off to your right. Single lever control, easy to access. Love the little storage down below as well. Beautiful helm design on this SX195. Work your way over to the passenger side. You're going to notice the similar bucket seat. This one does not have the flip up. You do have a glove box, cup holder, and I love the way they do the decking up on top to keep things from sliding around. When it comes to additional cup holders and storage, tucked back underneath and out of the wind, you've got a couple in there. Work our way forward. Look at how big the bow is all the way forward, and you'll notice the SX195 does come with the bow filler cushions. Yamaha does a great job making this bow very well finished with grab handles, cup holders, nice use of upholstery, different uses of stitching and piping, really bringing it all together, making this a very impressive bow section on a 19-foot boat. One highlight feature to me is the in-floor storage on a Yamaha. Look at how beautifully finished that is. All fiberglass, all gel coated, channeled, drainable. It's completely sealed. That's a beautiful setup there, and it does have the mat that goes down inside, but a very big in-floor locker on the SX195. And I certainly can't leave the inside without showing you the power plant. 250 horse out of the Yamaha SVHO 1.8 liter. It's compact, it's beautiful looking, but the performance out on the water is second to none. The reliability is all Yamaha. So that concludes a quick video walk around of the Yamaha SX195. Maybe a small boat, but it's certainly built for big adventures. Lots of great features, huge horsepower, everything you could want in a fun, easy to trailer day boat. Hey, I am Zach here at River Valley Marine. We have a beautiful selection of boats in stock. We'd be glad to help you, glad to talk to you, answer any questions you might have. Again, please call, text, or email with any questions. And thank you again for taking the time to look at the Yamaha SX195.